what's happening out here?
Well, it's snuggle time.
Oh.
Maybe Dad doesn't have the house quite warm enough, and Niblet says he wants to be in Dad's flannel shirt.
Look at you two boys.
Yeah. What of it? Eh? What of it, Mom? Oh, he's a nice boy to accompany his dad. Oh, good boy. He says it's Sunday afternoon. Not a very nice day. The chipmunks are wet. The birds are wet. Who wants to know?
Hey, Storm.
It's a nice storm day.
It's chilly in here.
He says, Dad hasn't been really down looking after the fire. And Bossy's been down there burning paper and stuff. And she just makes a smudge. Yeah. And he says, makes me want to put my paw over my nose. And he says, what's so funny, Mom? It's true. What Dad says. Yeah. Maybe I'll just put my face in Dad's hand and I'll go to sleep. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
He says I can sleep. I don't even have to shut my eyes now. I can sleep here with my eyes open. I'm grinding my teeth a little bit. He says, I think because of my super purebred breeding, I might have an underbite or an overbite. I'm not sure which, but I know I do bite. He's not sure if it's under or over. But I bite. Piss me off and I bite. Yeah. Yeah. He says, yeah.
I don't think he's saying much, Brian. He's just trying to relax.
What's he thinking?
Sorry. I was
Saying what he was thinking.
I was talking loud to my cat.
If she keeps it up, she'll be getting the Jeffrey cat.
Full bouquet.
She'll be getting the old read between the lines, Pa.